Hi, I would like to share how to seal a tube of caulk in 3 simple steps. You won't find this method anywhere else on YouTube. And all you need is some electrical tape. To prepare, break off 4 pieces of electrical tape about 4 inches or 10 centimeters long. And yes, I do sometimes use wipes to clean up. Not that hard to find some lying around when you have 4 kids. Okay, time for step 1. The goal here is to try and preserve the product that's still in the nozzle. It's also the first of 2 seals for the product that's still in the tube. Run the tape along the nozzle, gently stretching it over the end, before running down the other side. Pinch the tape together along the edges. Step 2. Wrap a piece of tape around the nozzle working towards the tip. You should apply enough pressure that you feel the tape starting to stretch a little. Also, ensure you leave enough tape to go beyond the tip of the nozzle. Pinch the tape that goes beyond the tip of the nozzle together. Okay. The nozzle is sealed and the first of 2 tube seals is in place. Step 3. We are now going to seal the tube itself. Remove the nozzle. Apply some electrical tape along the caulking tube and over the tube opening. Run your finger around the opening. You should see the tape making contact around the rim. You don't need to apply a lot of force here. Just ensure the tape is not loose. Apply the final piece of tape at 90 degrees to the first. Again. Run your finger around the opening. You should see the tape making contact around the rim. Screw the nozzle back on. It will require just a little more force than usual. Bonus tip for long-term storage. Keep some old nozzles that have caulk set in them. Remove the excess nozzle length and just keep the ribbed section. This will keep the tube more compact for long-term storage. Seal the tube as per my previous instructions. For good measure, seal the nozzle also. This will make the tube nice and compact. If I take the nozzle off a sealed tube, you will note that the electrical tape has performed the same function as plumber's tape. If you found this post helpful, press like so others learn this technique. I wish you the best of luck in your next project. See ya.